Obwo ari kutongoza Purezidenti Museveni asimere Francis Mugabe owatandikira fakitore nekaye ahabokuza omurugamba rwo kurwana sobworo omu Uganda kandi hameze ngo gavumenti neija kumushagika.
Oba tuwereze sente abatalina kye bakola ne balira obwerere. Ate alina kyakozeeko oyo anatulema atya.
Purezidenti Museveni hona simere Olivia Mugabe owagizire ngu akashendekereza munyanya Francis owatandikira fakitore ero kumanywa nka Tropical Fruits Limited.
N'olukinjagala kubebaza mwembi na family yamwe kulwana olutalo luno olw'okugoba obwavu mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala.
Purezidenti Museveni nagira ngo emyaka myingi atwire na habura abanya-Uganda okuza omukuhinga no kurisa okongirweho omutindo obwagumize ngo nugwo muringo gumwe go kurwana sobworo no kuhindura abantu abagiga. Ogu nagira ngo injireji akajuburra abantu ba Rwero na Kabare bajejumberamu. Minisita Matiya Kasaija ayibarize Mugabe mukama wa fakitore ahabwo kwegita ahamuranga go kutandikaho amakorero.
So Francis, you definitely, I would also, when you expand, I would also encourage you to increase on the job facilities so that these youth who are coming from educational institutions, they get a job and they become stable and they become post-full.
Your Excellency, I thank you for really capital investment and wanting to address the issue of capitalization and cost of money in Uganda by investing in UDB and also in the agricultural credit facility.
Francis Mugabe asimire Purezidenti Museveni ahabwo kwikiriza okushaba kwe obwo ari kutongoza fakitore y'ebijuma obwo ari kugira ngo agitandikire aharoni.
We also provide jobs for over 500 fruit aggregators across the country. And we directly employ their children or our children to the tune of 500 young Ugandans.
Fakitore y'ebijuma nekoresa abakozi bakwika 5 kandi yine amani go kwiha eshande omu bijuma ebirukwingana metari 5 z'urukumi buri season kandi abahinja 10 no barukwinga ebijuma ebirumu enanasi, emiyembe, obutunda n'ebindi bijuma okuruga ombyanga nka Rwero, Greater Masaka, West Nile Northern na Bukedi. Gashakwa Dambatadeo.